This is the Lineage by Grand Design, and we're going to check out the exterior. Come on, follow me. All right, so doesn't this thing look so...
This thing is beastly.
It is so cool. All right, now they also have another option to do off-road tires, but...
Fox shocks.
Fox shocks.
Oh my goodness, and they can help you turn. Look at that.
So you can stay in the mountains, on the beach.
It's 4x4 too.
Yep, it is 4x4. Check out these doors. They're insulated, so nice and thick. You have a TV over here that pops in or out. Now they have different types of colors and options for the exterior, but plenty of space. And more storage.
Yeah, I got a lot of storage here. It's a really cool back end.
Yeah, it is so cool. Like, it's sleek and modern, and let's go check out the inside. Come on. All right, starting over here, we have our drivers and passenger seating over here. And then also this cap has a bed that can fold out. Nice window lighting everywhere. And you can close this off with this curtain for privacy.
Love that window.
Yeah, it's great.
It's actually very comfortable in here too. It's on a Ford platform.
It is nice and lifted. You also have outlets all throughout. And then you have reclining seats here. Storage all throughout here. And as you can tell, these are very addicting. It is so fun, but it keeps it locked into place. Now in the kitchen, this counter space actually extends, and you can actually make this much larger. A sink, cutting board, and you can wash your cups right in here. So easy. Yes. Appliances, your TV, storage. Everything is nice. Like, it's high quality. You'll see, you'll be able to touch it and just see for yourself. It's very high quality. And of course you have your mini fridge. I call it mini because if you come to this angle, you'll see it's not a residential fridge, but it's actually smaller, but it gets the job done.
Lots of words.
Additional storage for pantry area. A curtain for privacy, because behind me is a queen size bed, and you'll see storage throughout here.
Storage underneath.
Yep, storage underneath, as well as closet space, and there's plenty of space for you to hang things. Drawers, and there's a TV up here. Oh my gosh, I almost let you peek into the bathroom. Over here is the washer dryer. This is so convenient if you're traveling and you need to get some laundry done. You don't have to go to a laundromat. You just get it done in your RV.
A lot of money saved.
A lot of money saved and time. Behind this beautiful door, we have the bathroom. Come follow me to the bathroom. And it's actually much larger than I thought it'd be. But check out this beautiful shower. It's nice and sleek, modern design, as well as the finishes in the sink. And you have drawers for storage, as well as a Madison cabinet, toilet, and a nice little window. Yeah, there's different kind of color options, whatever you prefer, solid, printed, and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty solid, and high ceilings actually too. So I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.